Because you kind of like.
How much of this?
There you go. You're doing perfect.
A little bit more kiss.
You never had Patron before?
I don't like tequila at all.
She said you love tequila.
Any kind. No, I don't like it at
That's my
all.
bad side. Okay, by the way, I'm filming, so.
Oh, wow.
Oh, you, okay, that's better.
Holy crap.
Come on, it's gonna get warm.
Oh, I spilled
Oh,
everywhere.
1, 2, 5.
Wait, cheers.
6,
Oh, it's leaking out of
Put your finger.
Sorry.
Let it get up. Cheers.
Oh.
So the half of his keychain?
Ah.
Oh.
That's good.
You ready for another one, Adrian?
That's good. No, that's good.
Adrian's gonna be so bombed in like 10 minutes.
It was leaking out of the nip. I didn't even know it.
Yeah, that is a interesting chocolate.
Yeah.
It needs to go with. There's still some left, Cook.
There it is.
She had enough of the nut.
Good job.